Hey guys, got a Husqvarna here. Trying to figure out why she don't start. Got a light tester right there on it. Not seeing a spark. This is a Husqvarna YTH 21K46. I've checked the battery. Battery's new. The starter engages. Now it's starting not to, but I took it to the shop and they said it's good. The solinod, check the powers across that, and that checks out good. Take a listen and let me know what you think it is. Now the starter doesn't always engage, but I've checked the power from down here on back, and it's per my research that's supposed to prove that all my switches are good. But I'm thinking in this guy here, the ignition coil, it's not doing what she's supposed to do. But any feedback, I would love to have some. Thanks.